In reported by Bagua TV, Menendez Brothers' parole denials reinforce prison continuity. After more than 3 decades in prison, both Erik and Lyle Menendez have had their bids for release denied, Erik on August 21 and Lyle on August 22, 2025. Erik Menendez, denied due to institutional violations. On August 21, 2025, Erik Menendez appeared before a California parole board and was denied parole for a minimum of 3 years. The decision centered not on his original crime but rather on his behavior in prison, particularly the possession of contraband such as cell phones and involvement in other rule violations. The board concluded that Erik continues to pose an unreasonable risk to public safety. Lyle Menendez, denial follows close on the heels of Erik's. The very next day, August 22, Lyle Menendez appeared before the board and received a similar verdict. Despite evidence of educational attainment and rehabilitative programs, such as leading a support group for sexual abuse survivors and spearheading a beautification initiative, the board cited persistent infractions, including repeated possession of a cell phone, as reasons to deny parole. A Journey to Parole, Background and Legal Shifts. Originally sentenced in 1996 to life without parole for the 1989 shotgun murders of their parents, Jose and Kitty Menendez, crimes that captured global attention, the brothers' sentences were reduced in May 2025 to 50 years to life. This resentencing, prompted by new evidence and renewed legal advocacy, activated California's youth offender law, making them eligible for parole consideration as they were under 26 at the time of the murders. This case has been revitalized in public discourse through Netflix documentaries and a growing focus on the brothers' claims of long-term sexual abuse by their father, a development that spurred broader legal and public reassessment. What factors were considered by the board? Parole boards evaluated institutional behavior. Despite exemplary service such as education and mentorship programs, persistent rule violations weighed heavily against the brothers. Remorse and insight. Though the brothers expressed remorse, the board questioned whether they fully grasped the gravity of their crime or were avoiding full accountability. Public safety risk. Both were deemed to still pose an unreasonable risk, Erik because of his misconduct, and Lyle due to repeated infractions. Next steps: clemency, legal appeals, and future parole. While denied parole now, both brothers may reapply after 3 years, in 2028. Additionally, their attorneys are pursuing clemency from Governor Gavin Newsom and possible legal motions citing newly surfaced evidence. Family hope and broader implications. The Menendez family, while bracing for these outcomes, continues to support the brothers and pursue other legal avenues. Their case prompts reflection on the balance between rehabilitation and accountability, and how high-profile crimes intersect with evolving notions of justice.